Ow. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. Go for a ride. Last ride of the year? Nah. Run an intro. Hey, welcome to December 28th, 29th, Thursday, 31st, Sunday. Yeah, I believe it's the 28th. If I'm wrong, well, you wouldn't know about it if I was, because you don't know, well, I don't know. I don't know, you don't know, we don't know. Only things in life and death, it's what you do in between that matters. I've seen that on a TV show. Oh, now I gotta sneeze. It says it's on old Harley Davidson there. It says 47.3. 47.3 on your AM dial. And yep, buddy. Gonna be a good day. Any day on a motorcycle's a good day, even if it's raining, right? Right? Well, it ain't the greatest, but it's okay. Hey, how you mama name? It's a gorgeous day in the neighborhood here in West Georgia. Yeah, buddy, we're going over to Rockmart, Georgia, to the Rail Bar and Grill there in Rockmart, Georgia. The Knuckleheads is permanently closed, what I heard. I don't know about permanently unless somebody else buys it and reopen it, maybe. I don't know. They said the kitchen fell in, lack of maintenance, I guess. That's just what the rumors is. So we're gonna ride over here to Rockmart to the Rail and eat lunch, and then we're gonna come back by. I hate it when I gotta sneeze. Peanut butter and jelly. I feel like John. I need coffee, coffee, coffee. So I guess this week, from now to whenever, till everybody gets their Christmas videos done, what I got for Christmas? Hey, what you get for Christmas? I got a lump of coal and a bag of switches, because I'm never good enough for Santa Claus. Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. What's your New Year's plans? I don't have any. We just probably doesn't have them by now. Don't even bother. Don't even answer that. What do you do for New Year's? I slept. I might try to stay up. I don't know. She's got to work. I don't know if we'll do a polar bear ride Monday or not, because I'd like to. There's a couple of them going on. One might do Sunday. I don't know. But that wouldn't be a New Year's polar bear ride, traditional New Year's polar bear ride. But we'll see. See if I'm off or not, maybe. I don't know. Have to be somewhere and deliver the next day. That's the way you gotta go sometimes. It is what it is. It is what it is. Speaking of where we're going today, a new winery, Paris Mountain Winery. I have no idea about it. I just pulled it up and it says we'll figure out when we get over there. I don't know if I'll record when I get over there. But we'll see when we get to the restaurant, because nowadays you want a 5-minute, 10-minute video that you can watch 2 minutes. We'll see you there. Well, there's the Knuckleheads, but like I said, they up for sale, so I guess it's not Knuckleheads no more. Yep. So we got a turn down here. Oh yeah, there's a covered bridge, a Rockmart, walking bridge. So that rail yard is close to the railroad. Up here on Main Street, I think. We could go to the Exotic Q, have some exotic barbecue. They don't look very busy. Oh, a one-way street, ain't it? No. There it is, the rail. Alright. I see you. The rail bar and grill next to the railroad tracks. Alright, look like a steep place to park. Alright. I need to put it in gear. Wants to roll back. There it is, Rail Bar and Grill. Is that open? Alright, the Rail Burger was, the Rail Bar and Grill was pretty dang good. Service, not so much. But what you can expect nowadays, you can't get good service. We're right past the War Memorial. Coast Guard, Air Force, Navy, Marines, and Army. Air Force, Coast Guard, POWMA. Alright, we're going to that winery. I gotta pull it up for a second. Yeah. She walked by us 3 or 4 times before she realized I was out of drink. And that's my pet peeves. I believe that's where we're going. Alright. So we go back this way. Look, if they got the... This downtown Rockmart, they got the festival lights out. Thrift store's closed, or whatever that was is closed. We went in that little shop next door. They got little balls in their trees too. And one-way street. There's a coffee shop. A lot of people down here. More of the lights hanging from the trees. Doggy thingy, precision paws, grooming and spas. Stop sign, stop sign, stop sign. So we got a factory down here in Presbyterian Church. I don't know what it is, but that'd be kind of tricky to get back in down there, ain't it? Got a flagman out here. That's unusual. What is this? Real estate truck drivers don't wear flip-flops. Had his flip-flops on to make sure nobody hits his truck. Real truck drivers don't wear flip-flops. Some kind of cold storage. Brown's, EP, something. I don't know. I have to Google it. I'm still tickling about the bonehead trucker wearing his tennis shoes. Flip-flops where they actually had clogs on. Slatescape. Never been out this road either. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, a walking park path. Oh, that's the Silver Comet Trail. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Alright. So this winery's not but right up the road, 6.5 miles. I should ride this road more often. It's pretty fun. Hutchinson Mountain Road. Hutchinson Mountain Road. Ooh, wow. That little squirrely there. Well, dirt on the road looked like. Still 4 miles from this winery. That's why you gotta get out and explore. That's what motorcycles are made for. Exploring and therapy. Pretty out here. I missed the road. That's pretty. That's a sign. Ranch, Texas Longhorn Eagle Valley Ranch. All right, got an eagle sitting on a rock. This is Paris. We in Paris. Paris Mountain Road. 7/10 of a mile. So the roads, the winery is on this road. Boy, they got some pretty houses out here. Look at that one. That's nice. Overlooking the valley. That one is too. Alrighty then. Paris Mountain Road. Another good little hidden gem. I believe I've been on this road, but we couldn't remember the name of it at one time. Where it comes out at. I like it. I like it a lot. Like a little baby dragon almost. Baby dragon road. Ooh. Ooh, switchback. I got a little one. You run off these roads, you'd be just like, don't want to meet nobody. Hidden drive. Got a car coming. I bet she's gonna take up both sides of the road. I like it. I like it a lot. It was just a lucky guess. So that look, house is built into the mountain. A smooth road. Smooth as a baby's butt. Yeah, maybe not that smooth. What we doing here? How you doing? Another pretty house out here. Somebody done, oh, he can build some curbs and stuff. Hate to go down that driveway. It was phew. Alright, we're getting pretty close to this winery. We 3/4 mile. Open, but he ain't. Hey, puppy dogs! I'm turning. Oh, a dirt road. I get my dirt road bagger pitch. Whatever. I couldn't read the sign. Dirt bagger. Woohoo! I get that looks like the winery. They gonna say, ain't y'all cold? Why do people do that? We riding motorcycle in the wintertime. Yeah, we cold. Well, you ain't got no sense. That be it. One customer. I bet that's the one that's working it. Pretty. Nice little setup. Yeah, I say so. I can pull down and pull back around, but that might not be a good deal. We'll just pull right here. Yeah, looks like they painted the signs. Yeah, so this is a Paris something winery. All the links and stuff will be down there. I got some geese down there. Yeah, buddy, it's a nice little place. Super friendly. What I got, Paris Mountain Winery. All the links and stuff will be down in the description. They no parking up through there on the grass. They do grow grapes. I heard some people say the wine grapes don't do good in here in Georgia. That's why everybody do muscadine. But they said these are grapes. And the Juliet or Warrior. Warrior's the one they make here. It's kind of a grape. No, you know, it's wine. Pretty good. It's like I said, super friendly people. Like I said, they've been open since June. And those are geese. Them dang Canadians. Them alien geese. Illegal geese. So, like I said, it's like 20 miles from the house, give or take. And we'll be back. $22 a bottle of wine with 5% discount today. Yeah, let's see, 23 miles. So that's not too bad. She was telling us another one in Dallas we'll have to go check out next time when it's pretty. Something twin something. I'll Google it. It'd be Beth's last ride. Oh, a Wattweiler, 49.1. So it did warm up some. Ain't that buddy? You to the buddy poker? Yes, you are. I like Rottweilers. So anyway, we're gonna go out this road right here, Brown's Road. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up, and we'll catch you on the next wine trip we take, I guess. I don't know what it'd be. It won't be wine. The next trip I'm gonna go be the frozen butt ride that we're gonna do for the Southern Cruisers. Supposed to rain Monday, so I don't know if we'll do a polar bear ride. Later.